Hello students, good evening. Welcome to our Odia NCERT channel. In my previous class, we will discuss chapter 2.1 and some concepts. And next, we will discuss chapter 2.2 and exercise chapter 2.2 and some concept. Now, in our previous class, we will discuss quadratic equations in one variable. Then, now we discuss about word problem. What is word problem? Example, two numbers the sum of the sum of two numbers 15. One number is 5 more than another number. Then find the number. These types of questions are called word problem in equation. See the sum of two numbers. Sum of two number means one number is 5 more than another number. Let the number x, then another number 5 more than x plus 5. Then question arises the sum of two number. One number x and another number x plus 5. Then x plus 5 according to question. X plus 5 equal to 15. Then 2x plus 5 equal to 15. 2x equal to 15 by 5. 15 minus 5. Why? Plus 5 RHS side going to RHS side, then 15 minus 5 equal to 10. X equal to 10 by 2. Multiplication of x, then divided by 2. X equal to 5. One number is 5. Another number, one number equal 5. Then another number, one number 5 plus 5, then 10. Are you understand my question? This type question is called word problem. Then we our complete first example. Then discuss our second chapter 2.2 exercise. Let's start chapter 2.2 exercise. Let's start exercise 2.2. First bit. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. Are you understand? If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, we don't number. What is number? Then let number equal to x. If you subtract 1 by 2 from number x, subtract 1 by 2 from a number x minus 1 by 2 according to question x minus 1 by 2 and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Then multiplication 1 by 2, then you got 1 by 8 equal got 1 by 8. Then solve this equation. X minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8. Let's see. Denominator side 1, LCM 2 and 1, 2, 1, denominator hidden 1, 2 1 is 2, 2x minus 2 by 2 1 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8. Then 2x minus 1, 2 to 4 equal to 1 by 8. Cross production, cross multiplication. 8 into 2x minus 1 equal to 1 into 4. 8 into 2x, 16x minus 8 equal to 4. Then 16x equal to 12 minus 8. RHS side are going to RHS side, minus are alternate, plus 8. 16x equal to 12, s equal to 12 by 16 to 6 by 8, 3 by 4. Then number x equal to 4 by 3. अतः the number will be 3 by 4. Understand? Then second bit. The perimeter of a rectangle swimming pool is 154. Its length. Then its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? Length means daigya. Breadth means prastha. What are the length and breadth of the pool? It is a rectangle side. This side length, this side breadth. Perimeter means four side, sum of four side. Then L to 2L plus 2B. Then perimeter formula of rectangular formula for perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 into L plus B perimeter. Then according to question, first, its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Means let breadth let x, then length 2 meter more than twice its breadth. 2 meter more than means two x plus 2. 2 meter more than breadth. 2 meter twice its breadth means breadth 2 meter twice 2x plus 2 meter more than plus 2. Understand? Then formula of perimeter of a rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth equal to 154. Then 2 length 2x plus 2 plus x equal to 154. Understand? 2x plus x, 3x plus 2 into 2, 6x plus 4 equal to 154. 2x plus x, 3x plus 2, then 2 into 3x, 6x, 2 into 2, 4, then 6x x equal to 154 minus 4, then 6x equal to 150, then x equal to 150 by 6, answer 25. 25 breadth, 25 breadth, 25 breadth, then length equal to 2 into 25 plus 2, 25, 2 into 25 50 plus 52 plus 2 52, then length equal to 52, breadth equal to 25. Understand? Then question number 3, chapter 2.2. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 cm. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 1 by 5. What is the length of either of the remaining equal side? What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle called two sides are equal. Two sides are equal, then called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Understand? Two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. One side triangle is 4 by 3. One side 4 by 3. Other side are equal to each other. Then let equal sides equal to x. Base equal to 4 by 3. A, B, C. Base means bhumi. Base means bhumi. 4 by 3. Base. According to question, perimeter of isosceles triangle 4.21 by 5, 15. Perimeter of isosceles triangle 4 by 1 by 5. Isosceles triangle means three sides are the sum of three sides equal to perimeter. Sum of three sides equal to perimeter of isosceles triangle. Then one side x, another side x, x plus another side 4 by 3 equal to 4.21 by 2 by 115. Now 15. Then solve the equation. X plus x, denominator side 1, denominator side 1, denominator side 3, then 3, 1 जगह 3, 3x plus 3x plus 4, 15 4, 60, 62 by 15. Understand? Then 6x plus 4 by 3 equal to 62 by 15. Solve this equation. Cross multiplication. Understand? 15 into 6x plus 4, 62 into 3. Then 15 into 6x, 90x plus 60 equal to 186. Then 90x equal to 126. Understand? Then x equal to 90x equal to 126. Then x equal to 126 divided by 90, 63 by 45, 95, 97. Then answer equal to x 7 by 5. One side 7 by 5, then x equal to 7 by 5, another side 7 by 5, another side 4 by 3. Then two sides are sum of three sides equal to 4.21 by 15. Understand? Then equal side x by 7/5. Complete our question number 3. Then question number 4. Sum of two number is 95 if one exceeds the other by 15. Find the numbers. Exceed means increase, means addition. Let's start. Let two number, let first number equal to x, another second number equal to exceeds by 15, x plus 15. The sum of two number means first number plus second number equal to 95. Is means equal. The sum of two numbers is 95. Then first number x plus 15 equal to 95. 2x, x plus x, 2x plus 15 equal to 95. 2x equal to 80, x equal to 80 by 2 equal to 40. Then you are understanding my answer. Are you understand my answer? X equal to 40. Then it is first number. Second number 40 plus 15, x plus 15 equal to 40 plus 15 equal to 55. It is second number. Understand? Then start. Let's start five number. Two numbers are in the 5 number question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3 if they differ by 18. Differ means uchcheda. Differ means uchcheda. What are the numbers? Then what are the numbers? Let first number equal to 5x, second number equal to 3x. First number 5x, second number equal to 3x. Then they differ by 18. Differ means first number difference 3, second number. Then first number 5x according to question. 5x minus 3x equal to 18. Then 2x equal to 18, x equal to 18 by 2 equal to 9, x equal to 9. Then number will be the first number will be 5x equal to 5 into 9 equal to 45 means 45. The second number will be 3x, 3 into 9 equal to 27. Then check this number. 45 minus 27 equal to 18. Then the number will be 45 and 27. Understand 5 number question. Then 6 number question. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Integers means purnanga. Consecutive integers means x plus 1, x plus 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means consecutive integers. Then let first consecutive integers equal to x. And second consecutive integers x plus 1, third consecutive integers x plus 2. 3 integers add up, then 51. Then x plus 1, according to question, 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 51. x 3x plus 3, 3x plus 3 equal to 51. Then 3x equal to 51 minus 3, 3x equal to 48. Then x equal to 48 by 3, 16. Then x equal to 16, first consecutive number. Second 17, 16 plus 1 17. Third 18. Then 16, 17, 18 are 3 consecutive integers. Understand? Then 7 number question. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888 by 880. Find the multiples. Means consecutive multiples of 8 means x plus x, one consecutive multiples x, another consecutive means s plus 8, third consecutive integers x plus 16. Understand? Then first let first consecutive number x, then second consecutive number x plus 8, third consecutive number x plus 16 are 3 consecutive multiples. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples equal to 888. Then x plus 8 plus x plus 16, then 888. X plus x 2x plus 3x, 3x plus 24 equal to 888. Then 3x equal to 880 by minus 24. And 3x 844, 826, 864. Then x equal to 86 by 4 by 3, 326, 3824, 24, 288. Then first consecutive numbers 288, second consecutive numbers 296. Why? 288 plus 8 equal to 296. Then third consecutive number 288 plus 16, 294 plus 10, 304. Understand? 3 consecutive numbers. Find the 3 consecutive numbers. Then 8 number question. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find this number. Asan question. 3 consecutive numbers means x and x plus 1 and s plus 2. They are taken in increasing order and multiplied 2 into x, first consecutive number. Then 3 into s plus 1, second consecutive number. Then 4 into x plus 2, third consecutive number. Are add up. Then they add up to 74. Then 3 consecutive numbers are added equal 74. Let's start. Let the first consecutive number equal to x. Then second consecutive numbers x plus 2. Then third consecutive numbers x plus 3. Understand? Sorry. X plus 1, x plus 2. Then fourth consecutive number x plus 3. Understand? Then and multiplied by 2 into x, 3 into x plus 1, then 4 into s plus 2, and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 according to question. Then 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into s plus 2 equal to 74. 2 into x 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 equal to 74. Unknown number 2x plus 3x 5x plus 4x 9x plus 8 plus 3 11 equal to 74. Then 9x 74 minus 11 9x equal to 63. Then x equal to 63 by 9 equal to 7. X equal to 7. Then another number 8. Then another number 9. 7, 8, 9. This number. Understand? 7, 8, 9. Then multiplied by 2, 3, 4. Then 2 into x. 2 into 7 14 plus 3 into s plus 1 3 into 8 24 and 4 into 9 36 14 24 and 36. Then these numbers will be 14 24 and 36. Understand? Then question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are present age? Let the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Let present age of Rahul what? 5x. Present age of Harun 7x. Understand? Then according to question, the sum of their ages will be 56. 4 years later means 5x plus 4 7x plus 4 4 years later. According to question 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 means 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. 5x plus 7x 12x plus 4 plus 4 8 equal to 56. Then 12 is equal to 56 minus 8. Then 12 is equal to 48. Then x equal to 48 by 12 equal to 4. X equal to 4 means the present age of Rahul 5 into 4 20 and Harun 7 into 4 28. What are the present age? 20 and 28. 20 and 28. Understand? Present age. Next number 10 number. Then 10 number. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Means what is the total class of boys and girls? Understand? The number of boys and girls. Let the number of boys equal 7x. Let the number of girls equal to 5x. The number of boys is 8 more than according to question. Number of boys is 8 more than number of girls means boys equal to 8 more than number of girls means 5x plus 8. Boys equal to 7x and 7x equal to 5x plus 8. Understand? then unknown number, LHS side, 7x minus 5x equal to 8 and 2x equal to 8, x equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4, x equal to 4 and 7 into 4 28, 5 into 4 20, 28 and 20. Then the total class strength 48 and number of boys 28 and number of girls 20. Understand? Then start. 11 number. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Means let Baichung's age x. Let Baichung's age equal to x. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. Who? 29 years older than Baichung. Who? Baichung's father. Then Baichung's father age older than means bada, x plus 29. Then grandfather age (26) younger. Baichung's father is 26 younger than Baichung's grandfather. Then x plus 29 plus 26 equal to x plus 25. So sorry, 29 plus 26 x plus 55 means Baichung's father 26 years younger. सान होता है Baichung's grandfather. Baichung's grandfather's 26 years सान. Then x plus 29 plus 26 equal to x plus 12. The sum of numbers, sum of age equal to 135. Then x according to question, s plus x 29 plus x plus 55 equal to 135. 3x equal to 135 minus 55 minus 29. Then 3x equal to 135 minus 55 80 minus 29 equal to कितना 180 minus 29 1 51. 3x equal to 51. Then x equal to 51 by 3 17. X equal to 17. Then Baichung's age 17. Baichung's father age 17 plus 29. Baichung's grandfather age 17 plus 55. Then 36 plus 46. 36 plus 10 46. 55 17 plus 50 67 plus 5 62. Then Baichung's grandfather age 62. Baichung's father age 46. Baichung's age 17. The three numbers are added, then we get 135. Understand? Then question number 12. 15 years from now means ebe tharu. 15 years from now Robbie's age will be 4 times his present age. Means Robbie's, let Robbie's प्रेजेंट एज वर्तमान का आयु x. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 15 years from now Robbie's age equal to 4x means from now means increase means after, from now means after. 15 years के बाद रॉबी का एज will be 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age will be equal to, will be means equal. Then 15 years after के बाद 15 मिनट्स के बाद x प्लस 15 इक्वल टू 4x will be 4 times is present as equal to x, then 4 into x, then 5x minus 4x equal to 15, then x equal to 15, x equal to 15. What is 15? This Robbie's percentage. Robbie's percentage is 15. Then s plus 15. What says? 15 years के बाद 15 plus 5 20. Question arises, what is Robbie's percentage? Robbie's percentage equal to 15. Understand? Then question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product means multiplication, you get answer will be minus 7 by 12. God means equal. What is the number? Understand? Then a rational number. Then let rational number equal to x. X is a rational number. According to question, then when you multiply it by 5 by 2, then x equal to x into 5 by 2 and add addition plus 2 by 3 equal product get means equal minus 7 by 12. Solve this equation. Denominator 1, denominator 2, denominator 3, LCM 6, 1 6x plus 6x plus 3 15 2 4 equal to minus 7 by 12. 6s plus 19, sorry, it is a multiplication, sorry. Then 6 into 5 by 2, then 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 equal to minus 7 by 12. Then LCM 6 by 2 3, 15x plus 6 by 3 2 plus 2 4 minus 7 by 12. Then cross multiplication, and 12 into 15x plus 4 equal to 42. 7 into 6 42. 12 into 15, 12 into 5 60 plus 180. Then 180x plus 48 equal to 40. Then 180x equal to এটা মাইনাস ଥିଲା minus 7 minus 40, then minus 40 to minus 48 plus other side minus 48, then 180x equal to minus 90, then x equal to minus 90 by 180 equal to minus 1 by 2. Then the rational number will be minus 1 by 2. Understand? Then start 14 number question. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency. Currency means mudra. Notes of a denominations 150 and 10 respectively. Denomination means divided. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Unit digit, 10 digit, 100 digit, 1000 digits, 10,000 digits means 4 lakh. Answer. The ratio of this number, the ratio of these notes equal to 2x, 3x and 5x. Total cash total cash 4 lakh. Understand? 2x 100, 3x 50, 5x 10, 2x 100, 100 RS note 2x, 3x 50, 5x 10. The total cash equal to 4 lakh. Then total cash 100 into 2x means 100 RS note 2x, 50 RS note 3x, 10 rupees note 5x. Then 200x plus, according to question, total cash equal to 4 lakh. Then cash 100 into 2x 2x, 50 into 3x 150x plus 10 into 5x 50x equal to 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 200 plus 150 plus 50, 400x equal to 4 lakh. 2 3 5. Then x equal to 4 lakh टू टू कटिली 10 हजार 1000 x equal to 1000. Then 100 RS note, 100 rupees note 2x, 2 into 1000 equal to 2000. 50 RS note 3x, 3 into 1000 equal to 3000. Then 10 RS note, what, 5x, 5 into 10 equal to 5 into 100 equal to 5000. Understand? Then 4 lakh 2000 into 100 कितना, 4000 into 100 कितना, 20 लाख. What? 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Then 3000 into 50, 1.50 lakh. Then 50,000 equal to total cash 4 lakh. Understand? Then 15 number question. 15 number question, I have a total of 300 in coins, denomination 1, 2 and 5. The number of 2 coins is 3 times the number of 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? It is equal to each other. 15 and 14 both same. Then the total number of coins 160. Let 5 rupees coin x, number of 2 rupees coin equal to 3x, x 3x. Number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times the number of 5 coins, means 3x. The number of 2 rupees coin equal to 3x. number of 2 rupees coin equal to 3x. Then 5 rupees coin equal to x, number of 2 rupees coin equal to 3x. Number of 1 rupees coin, find this number of 1 rupees coin. 1, 2 and 5 are distributed 300 coins. Number 1 rupees coin, total coins 160 minus x minus 3x equal to 160 minus 4x. The sum of rupees coin equal to 300, total 300 coins. Then x plus 3x plus 160 minus 4x equal to what? 300. Then 3x plus 4x what? 3x plus 4x. X plus 3x. No. Let's take x equal to 5. 5 rupees coin equal to x. Then 5x. 2 into 3x equal to 6x. 1 into 160 minus 4x. Same number. Then 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x equal to 300. Then 5x plus 6x 11x minus 4x equal to 300 minus 160. Then 7x equal to 140, x equal to 20. X equal to 20 means then 5 rupees coin कितना 20, 6x coin 2 coin कितना 60. Then 160 minus x means minus x 3x. 160 minus 4x means 20 के 180 160 minus 4 into 20 means 80. Then 80 plus 60 plus 20 के देला 80 plus 60 plus 20 160. Understand? Then 16 number question. Then 16 number question. The organization in our last question 16 number in our chapter number 2.2. The organizer of an essay competition decide a winner in the competition gets prize 100 and participant who does not win gets prize 25. The total prize money distributed is 3000. No 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. The total number of participation 63. Answer: let number of winner equal to x. Then loser means not winner, no winner means loser, no winner. The total number 63, winner x, then loser 63 minus x according to question. The organization of an essay competition decided winner in the competition get prize 100. Then number of winner 100, number of winner x, prize 100 means 100 into x plus when gets a prize 25 who does not winner means loser 25 into 63 minus x equal to 300. Solve this equation, we get the answer. Put the formula, get the answer. 100 into x, 100x plus 25 into 63, 25 into 3, 25 into 3, 675, 25 into 6, 150 means 157. 100x plus 1575 minus 25x equal to 300. Then 100x minus 25x, 100x minus 25x, 75x equal to 300. 3000 minus 157. Then 75x equal to 1425. Then x equal to 14525 by 75. Then 5 25, 125, 5 to 10, then 4 to 5 8, 5 15. 15 1 15, 285 by 15, 5 5 5 5 25, 5 7 5 3, then 3 1 3 2 7 3 9 1 9. X equal to 1 9. X means number of winners. The number of winners is 19. Answer. Then friends, we complete our exercise 2.2. Then next class we will discuss our remaining parts in 2.2. Thank you joining for our class. Goodbye. Tata.